Today we're going to talk about editing video in Premiere Pro. Starting a new project, we always want to try to browse and path to your D drive. You're going to have a lot more space there for temporary files and storage. So we'll select the folder, and pretty much everything else should be good for settings. Just rewriting over the old one. Then in your workspace, it opens up in this assembly tab, which should show this project panel on the left. If you are missing that project panel, you can just go in here and make sure that it's checked off, and then you can go right ahead and start importing your clips into there. So what I would probably want to do is then select that clip, and today we're going to just talk about some different editing options. Once you have it into the project panel, then you can just drag it down onto your timeline, and from there you can scroll through. If I wanted to find the point in here where I wanted this to start, I can also zoom in on the timeline by dragging this box to the left, and you can use the mouse wheel to really fine-tune and rewind by just hovering over this window and rolling back. So maybe I would go to a point right where she kind of stops her description. Maybe I went too far back. So we want them to kind of get grouped together here. So I'm rolling up right now to advance. And maybe here. So I'm going to use this razor tool. I'm going to select that to create a trim mark in there. Then I can just right click and do ripple delete, which if I just went cut, it leaves the space there. So instead, if I do a ripple delete, it cuts it and it moves it over. Alright, so now we could have this whole clip in here, and then we would be ready for, and you can, cut and paste different clips and align them, and then that would get us ready for our next part, which is going to be color correction.